Hello, this is Jason from MaggieFrame. If you have a Ricoma embroidery machine, or if you have this kind of gray tubular hoop in your hands, like this, maybe the brand of your embroidery machine is not Ricoma, it's a local brand in your country, or it's a Chinese brand embroidery machine. But the hoop is like this. The hoop is exactly as I show in the photo in this video. And you want to buy our MaggieFrame magnetic hoop. Today I will introduce you how to choose the right size of the MaggieFrame compared to your regular hoop. Because you already have this hoop and you know which size of this tubular hoop you use very often. And today I will do a comparison between the tubular hoop and with our MaggieFrames about the size, the embroidery size. This will help you to choose the right size. Okay, now I start to make the comparison between the green Ricoma hoop with the MaggieFrame. This is the 9 cm regular hoop. This is the 10 by 10 cm MaggieFrame. That means 3.9 inch by 3.9 inch MaggieFrame. Let's do a comparison. Because the 10 by 10 cm is the inside sewing area, so the MaggieFrame 10 by 10 cm is even a little bit bigger than the 9 cm regular hoop. This is 12 cm regular, and this is the 5.1 by 5.1 inch. That means 13 by 13 cm MaggieFrame. Let's do a comparison. You will see it's exactly the same. So you use this size very often, and you choose the 5.1 by 5.1 inch MaggieFrame. And when you choose the brackets, you choose the brackets 395 mm. And you will get this, 4 of this, and this will perfect match your machine. This is the 15 cm regular hoop, normally in your hands. This is 16.5 by 16.5 cm. That means 6.5 inch by 6.5 inch inside embroidery area MaggieFrame. Let's do a comparison. Normally this size, the 15 cm, this size is very often used for the chest logo embroidery. So if you want to buy the embroidery hoop, this size, the 6.5 by 6.5 inch is a good choice. Also, if you need a little bit smaller, the 5.1 by 5.1 is also very popular. This is a 19 inside dimension 19 cm regular hoop. 20.1 cm by 23 cm. That means 8.5 inch by 9 inch. From the comparison, you can see the MaggieFrame, the similar size of this MaggieFrame, even have a better or bigger embroidery area than the regular hoop, round hoop. So that can help you to do more embroidery job, or you can do a big range of embroidery work. This is the 30 by 30 cm regular hoop as in your hand, and this is the 24 by 24 cm. That means 9.5 inch by 9.5 inch MaggieFrame. Let's do a comparison. You will see the 9.5 inch by 9.5 inch MaggieFrame is a little bit smaller than the 30 by 30 regular hoop. This size is also very popular for the embroidery job. The 9.5 inch by 9.5 inch. And in the near future, in 2023, we will have a new size. It's a 12 inch by 12 inch. That means it's a 30 by 30 MaggieFrame will coming on the market. So it's something exactly this size as the regular. So this can perfectly work on the Ricoma embroidery machines. All the machines have this kind of hoops. Except the 5 size of MaggieFrame, we do the comparison with the tubular hoop, and also we have more than 10 size of MaggieFrame for you to choose, because some embroidery workshop or company, they need to different project of the embroidery. For example, this one, this size is 19.5 centimeter. That means 7.6 inch by 2.7 inch. This is perfect for the sleeve. When you do sleeve, this is a perfect MaggieFrame size for you. And this size, the inside dimension is 32 millimeter by 10 millimeter. Embroidery area, that means 12.6 inch by 3.9 inch. And this is a perfect size for the trousers, when you do the trousers embroidery job. And this size, the inside dimension is 7.5 centimeter by 7.5 centimeter. That means 6.9 inch by 6.9 inch. Also, it's kind of comparison with the 18 centimeter round regular hoop, because a lot of embroidery machines, they have also this standard embroidery hoop for most embroidery work. This size, the inside dimension is 26.5 centimeter by 31.5 centimeter. That means 10.5 inch by 12.4 inch inside dimension. And this is a good size for the jacket backing embroidery. And if you choose this size MaggieFrame, the hoop length, here, the hoop length, the minimum is 445 millimeter. And we have 445 millimeter length for you to choose, or 495 millimeter for you to choose. And also we have 600 millimeter for you to choose. It depends on which machine you use and what's the length of hoop your machine can accept. This is the second biggest hoop in our range. Currently, the inside dimension is 31.5 centimeter by 39.5 centimeter. That means 12.4 inch by 15.6 inch inside dimension. And this is good for the jacket backing embroidery job. If you choose this size, the minimum hoop length is 495 millimeter. So we have 495 millimeter and 600 millimeter for you to choose for the Ricoma brand embroidery machine, or for the other brand embroidery machine which have this kind of embroidery hoop, regular embroidery hoop. This is the biggest size in our product range currently. The inside dimension is 43 centimeter by 39 centimeter. That means 17 inch by 15 inch inside dimension. And this is a very good tool for the big jacket backing embroidery job. Our company already working in the embroidery hoop for more than 15 years, and we have a full range of MaggieFrame, different size for your different embroidery project. When you buy the MaggieFrame, you just need to check the inside size, which is what you want, and choose the right brackets. The brackets mount here, so to reach the length which your machine accepts. When you receive the MaggieFrame, which will perfect match on your machine and will help you improve the efficiency and quality of your embroidery job. Thank you for your time for watching this video. I hope this video can help you a little bit when you buy the MaggieFrame. If you want more information about the MaggieFrame and the hoop talent, please subscribe our channel and you will get more and more information that will help you to get the skills, experience, how to use this powerful, efficient tool. Thanks for your time.